Hello and welcome to part 2 of trains here at Atherstone. There we are. So where we will continue to see services by London North Western Railway, Avanti West Coast and hopefully some freight. Now, I am hoping for more freight in part 2 than we did in part 1. We only had the one freight train going south. So, with that all being said and done, let's see what else shall turn up. Okay, so our first freight train of part 2 is an Avero going from Chester to London Euston. 805005. Started to wonder then because I thought that was on the slow line. I thought, why wouldn't it be on the fast line? Do about turn. It's a class 66 or GBRF. '66 084. Nice colourful mix of containers. Okay, so the next train to pass by, it's behind me, it's hard to see where they're coming from. This is working a service from London Euston to Liverpool Line Street. Thank you very much. Blue Peter, 390117. Nice two-tone there, thank you very much. Okay. Where is it coming from? This way. Is this way? It's working a service from London Euston to Manchester Piccadilly. 390,650. 050. Sorry about that. Okay, where from now? Behind me, running a delayed service from London Euston to Glasgow Central, 39119. Progress. I think that's London, a late running Glasgow service. Okay. The next train passed by. Don't know where this is off to. It's bound for Liverpool. It's 807006. Okay, another Avanti coming this way. I'm not sure where it's off to. $39155. Railway Heritage. Try and think where that might be going. Now, that is working a service from London Euston to Manchester Piccadilly. I believe that's running a late service to Manchester. Well, I don't know. We've had like so many delayed and like 4 rain at once. It gets like, yeah, let me think. Yeah, that is London to Manchester. Okay, let's try and figure out where this is coming from. It's an EMR service. Do not expect to see this today. 222 002. My word. That must be on Diver or something. Well, I don't know. I don't know what... I'll have a look. Like, I might let you know, like, at Litchfield, but I'll have a good look where that is going. I'll be surprised if that doesn't appear on real-time trains. Okay, so the next train drive is going to be the 1204 London North Western Railway service on Crewe to London Euston, formed with a double pairing of their 350s. Combe Hearts Buyers and Van to West Coast service going from Liverpool Lime Street to London Euston. Flying Scotsman. Working, this is 350 109. Okay, departing now is the 1204 London North Western Railway service to London Euston. £350 409 and a very full service. If you look there, just look how uneven that track is. I could see the cars bouncing all over the show. Okay, so the next train to pass by is an Avanti West Coast service going from London Euston to Manchester Piccadilly. 39131. City of Liverpool. Okay, now coming this way. Now racing that London North Western Railway is a Avero going from London to Chester. Data 5006. Now coming in now is the delayed 1200 London North Western Railway service from London, you guessed it, to Crewe. It is 7:30 221 leading. And on the rear is 7:30 228. Let's do about turn. Let's see how many. About 4 coaches of this train does not fit in this station. Wow, that's quite a few. Okay, departing now is the delayed 1200 London North Western Railway service to Crewe. Next calling point will be Tamworth. Now passing by the other way should be an Avanti West Coast service from Glasgow Central to London Euston. It's 390 1112. Atherstone has some good quality of activity. Okay, so the next train passed by is an Avanti West Coast service going from London Euston to Glasgow Central. £390 107. Okay. Which way is it coming from? It's coming from this way. This is working a service from London Euston to Manchester Piccadilly. Numbers, absolutely no idea. Okay, so the next train to pass by is an Avanti West Coast 390 Pendolino going from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston. $390-154, and I have no idea what's happened to my camera. It's made it like seem really bright. I'll try and figure out on the train. And somehow it's made it really bright. If you see the filters, like, there we go. I've sorted it out, and it's not as bright now as it was a minute ago. Blimey. Okay, so our final train of the day is going to be an Avanti West Coast service going from London Euston to Liverpool Lime Street. City of Birmingham, 390-132. Now as that heads towards Liverpool, I shall leave it there. Thank you very much for watching, it's greatly appreciated. I do sincerely apologise for the problem with I had with my camera. It went really bright then, didn't it? Other than that, it's been really enjoyable nevertheless. Didn't expect to see that EMR train come through earlier, but that might have been a service from Stirling to London. It said it didn't see what kind of make of the train was, but I'm just guessing. My next station's going to be Lichfield Trent Valley, just 15 minutes up the line that way. Sorry, I was being attacked by a wasp. Yeah, my next station's going to be Lichfield Trent Valley, just 15 minutes up the line. Great station to go to with the West Midlands as the high level, with trains going into Birmingham and continuing on to Bromsgrove. Did I hear something? No. So from the next time, for me here at Atherstone on the West Coast Main Line, I shall see you later. Take care. Goodbye.